Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So I am going to be doing a YouTube live stream today for the federal funds interest rate news for the US dollar, which this is obviously a yen pair, but the yen definitely does get affected by the US dollar news because it is a risk-on currency. But anyways, definitely make sure you check out my YouTube live stream later on today for that US dollar news. So I do think there is a very good chance that we are still in a wave 3. I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think it is going to go up and touch these highs before we do go down for a 4 and probably back up for a wave 5. I expect it to look something like this, and I still expect the 204 area is probably where this is going to end up ending this move, which I actually still think is an A, a B, and a big ABC correction. So this is the monthly, and that's going to take very, very long time to play out. So let's go down to the weekly. The important thing to see on the weekly is that it's still an uptrend. It's still higher highs, higher lows. I think you can see a subdivision in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possibly. Does look like it could have a 5-wave pattern inside there, which may be 5 waves for the wave 3. So I still don't see any evidence that the wave 3 is over. I actually still think it's going to go up and take out these highs before we even see the break of structure that will tell us that the wave 3 is complete. So with that information in mind, I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the daily, this thing made a perfect ABC correction down, bounced right off a perfect Fibonacci level and just kept on trending up. Now we are at a Fibonacci extension right now, which may end up causing a pullback, which at this point I would just be looking for longs anyway, so I wouldn't really be looking to short it. I would be instead waiting for pullbacks on shorter time frames to go long, potentially for the continuation of the uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I think it's extremely clear this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, we're in a wave 3. There's not even any proof that the wave 3 is over. So, I mean, maybe it will make a pullback, maybe it'll just keep on going up. I have no idea when the pullback is going to happen. We are at a Fibonacci level, so it does seem like a likely area for a pullback, and if it does make a pullback, that's going to be great news for us because then we can go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Maybe a 4 or 5, maybe a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I would be and still would be doing nothing but patiently waiting for long opportunities. Been making some pretty small pullbacks, so really, I mean, these are like 15 5-minute time frame pullbacks. But I would definitely still be looking for longs at least until we get some sort of a significant break of structure. If it doesn't break structure, then I would definitely continue to do nothing at all except for go long at the end of every pullbacks. I would definitely not be trying to go short, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right at the top. I would definitely have to see some sort of a pullback to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. So as always, thanks and happy trading.